Hi, this video is about sugar replacements. In this scene you see me showing you pictures of packages from Swerve. This is the brown sugar. It measures just like brown sugar, has no calories, has similar carbs honestly as brown sugar for a teaspoon, but the fact that it has no calories and is a replacement is the desire. I continue to show you all of the ingredients into this package. The next package is the granular sugar that again still measures, tastes similar to regular sugar. Same 0 calories. Doesn't affect your blood sugar. And tells you the measuring options. The last one by Swerve is the confectioner or the powder sugar. Same information as the other two. Lastly is a KeTo monk fruit, which is another type of granular sugar. Same thing, 0 net carbs, 0 glycemic index, 0 calories, and this is also considered to be erythritol. Okay. And in the rest of this video, you will see that I start showing you what the sugars look like in the actual form on a spoon and seeing what the description looks like. And then later at the end of this video, you will see Jeff, my taste tester, taste each one of these in comparison from the real sugar to the sugar replacement and telling you his thoughts on that comparison. Thank you very much for watching. This is Jeff. He's my taste tester. Jeff, would you say that you have a sweet tooth?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you have a big sweet tooth. All right. So Jeff is going to taste each one of those sugar alternatives that I gave you, and based on his appearance to tell you if it's good or not or equal to. All right. The first one he's going to try is the brown sugar, the real brown sugar. So just take a little piece of the brown sugar. You don't have to have all of it. Okay. That's real brown sugar. Here is the brown sugar alternative from Swerve. That's okay, the dogs will eat that. It's a good thing with dogs. What do you think?
Almost tastes the same.
Tastes the same. Good. No calories. Okay, Jeff, the next sugar alternative or sugar taste test is going to be the powdered sugar. So this is regular powdered sugar. Just like, you know, they have a little bit. Oh, there's a big one. Okay. Confectioner's sugar, as it's called. And then here is the Swerve sugar replacement one. Again, same relative net carbs, maybe a little bit, like a 0.5 off. But the biggest thing is no calories. Is there a taste difference between those two? Okay. Very good.
Absolutely not.
And the nice thing about the sugar alternatives is that you can, as it says in the packaging, 0 calories, tastes and bakes equal to brown sugar, and measures. That's the big part here, is that it measures just like brown sugar. All of these things measure just as you would with any other sugar, regular sugar. But the carb count is slightly lower, and the calories are definitely the significant thing. And it's not similar to a artificial sweetener. So it's a replacement. It's a different chemical balance than your Splenda, your Equal, your Sweet and Low. Has a better health value to you. Less chemicals, more natural chemicals. All right, so the next one I'm going to give you. Now, this is the one that I feel looks a little bit different. Is the regular standard granulated sugar. So I have 2 replacements that he's going to taste. One is the Swerve granulated sugar, and the other one is the monk fruit sweetener. Personally, I prefer the monk fruit sweetener, and honestly, when you look at it, it's more granulated. It looks very similar to the actual sugar. This comes out more of like a powdery texture. I'm gonna say it looks like coffee creamer to me, but so that's the difference in just the look, but we'll find out what the taste is. So this is regular sugar, white sugar, cane sugar. Oops, what a mess. That's all right, don't worry about it. That's the powdered sugar. How did that taste? The sugar, right?
Sugar.
All right, so here is the Swerve, which, hold on, before you put your fingers in there. See how it looks more kind of like a powder? It's not as granulated as the other sugar. See how it sparkles? This is no sparkles. Where is my, there we go. No sparkles, very flat. Go ahead and take a taste of that. What's your opinion?
Slight taste.
What, like what? Like an aftertaste or?
A little bit, but not as much. There's really no difference, but there's a slight taste difference.
All right, so let's go back to the regular sugar again. Okay. Now, this is the monk fruit. And again, monk fruit looks very similar to the granulated sugar. If you go side by side with them, almost similar. A little bit whiter, clearer look. This is a little bit more opaque, I would say, but both very granulated, very sparkly. Be honest. I mean, if they have a slight difference, they're not as sweet. There is a little bit of a difference. So
it's not as sweet as the other pure sugar, but it's still the same.
Yeah, you still think it'll be equal, like if you were to put it in
the food, yes.
Over cereal.
Yes, cookies. It won't taste the difference.
Yeah, well, you've eaten a lot of things that I've made with all these alternatives, and it's not seemed to turn you away. So
right.
Great. Well, thank you so much for your time, being my taste tester, and being open to being on camera. Thank you.
No problem.